What year did the Pilgrims celebrate the first Thanksgiving? And now I feel bad for our international friends who may not celebrate Thanksgiving because it's a US thing. But anyway, take a stab at it. What year did the Pilgrims celebrate the first Thanksgiving? And I am going to tell you, I'm warning you, Christian challenged me to make my questions harder because I always make them so easy. Okay, what do we think?
So we're running the Jeopardy music here.
Okay, we got a 1620. Everybody's Googling this right now as we speak, I'll bet you. That's okay, we don't mind. Whoever's fastest with the cell phone, I suppose.
Okay, the music stopped, and we have so far Steve saying 1620, John was 1621. Do we have a
Yeah.
higher bid than that?
It
And
is. Oh, I'm sorry, I hit the button already. Sorry. It is 1621 at a place that is now known as the Plymouth Plantation. So good job. Who got that one right? John got that one
John,
right.
yeah, good job, John.
Okay, so we know that wines in general, wine grapes, share aroma compounds with other fruit. So, what aroma is considered the trademark of Gewürztraminer? And we all love Gewürztraminer at Thanksgiving time because it's so versatile with food and goes with all the crazy dishes that all your aunts bring to the party, right? So it's a good wine for that. What is the signature trademark aroma of Gewürztraminer?
Okay, got the Jeopardy music going. And in the
Okay.
meantime, I'll shout out to Ian Smith from Hudson Valley, New York. Great friend of mine who I lived in Switzerland with for many,
Nice.
many years. Ian, great to see you.
That's awesome.
Okay, we got some answers rolling in here. Karen, you can probably see them as well.
Yeah, I'm getting them on a little delay, but yeah, the garden hose I don't get. Sorry, Steve. Oh,
Okay,
funny.
well, we have a lot of lychee, some
I love
grapefruit.
allergies.
Garden hose goes for the comedic relief answer. Someone else saying perfume. So what do we got?
Okay, we do have lychee. Lychee is the trademark signature of Gewürztraminer, although I always think of it as perfume. I really, it has just amazing aromatics in general. So that's awesome. Okay, good job, guys. I thought I made this hard, but not so much. Okay, what year did President Lincoln proclaim Thanksgiving as a national holiday, specifically for the fourth Thursday of November each year? Was it 1798, 1863, 1939, or 1941? What do you think? What year did President Lincoln officially proclaim it as a national holiday for the fourth Thursday of November each year?
Oh, that's a tough one. You did make them tough.
I told you, Christian, I've upped my game. Although this isn't really a wine question, but okay, we're getting 1863s, 63s. Okay.
All right. Looks like 1863 is the favorite answer. What do you got?
Okay, it is in fact 1863, but every date on the board has a meaning. So in 1798, George Washington actually did proclaim the first Thanksgiving, but he did not make it a national holiday. And then in 1939, President Roosevelt actually changed it to the third Thursday in December in hopes to boost sales right after the Depression. And then in 1941, Congress put it back to the fourth Thursday and overrode Roosevelt. So they all have a little bit of meaning, but that's that was
Nice.
the answer. So